today we're going to run a gift detail and summary report in WebView. So here we are on the home screen, so we're going to go to analysis and then standard reports. This is going to open to your last view. So I was last looking at the action detail report, and now I want to find the gift detail and summary. I know that that lives under financial reports. From here, you can see any report you've previously created in database view, along with any report that you've created in WebView. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to take a look at the Constituent Giving Summary. From this ellipses tab, you have a number of options. You can go ahead and run the report if everything in it is exactly as you need, or in our case, we're going to do some edits. We can see that this report is pulling in Roy Kent's giving to our organization, and it's currently slated to see his calendar year-to-date gifts. I want to go ahead and see every gift he has ever made. You'll notice that our tabs and options are very similar to database view, and nothing has really changed. Some things may have just changed in location. So we're going to go ahead and run this, and I'm going to choose a PDF output, even though you can choose CSV if you would like. Additionally, you can now choose anonymous formatting directly on the record, on the report itself, rather than utilizing the user setting like you would in database view. So let's go ahead and run this. And there we can see that it started running. And I'm going to save and close my report, and then I can go off and work on other things. And this will just run in the background, and the system will let me know when it is done. So I'm looking for a few notifications up here in the right. And here we go. So we have a green flag letting us know that the report has run, as well as a notification on the bell. And I can go to either of these two locations to download my report. So there we go. Here's my summary that I have now exported, and this is all of Roy's giving to our organization. Now, if I wanted to say go off and work on other things, and I can't remember the last time I ran this, or I want to access a previous run, I can go to recently run and find the output here as well. So I can see that I've run this a few times today, and if I want to get my most recent output, I can get the report and download it from here as well.